We shouldn't be here.
Shh, it will all be fine.
I got a man with 2 left feet, and when he dances not to the beat, I really think that he should know that he's with the